Okay, just doing a quick video. I've got an unboxing for Victorian Varnish, and this is for April. Her goodies will go on sale April the 1st at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. So this is not in any order. I'm going to be all over the place, so bear with me. This first one is for the cog of the month, and this is ready for flight. Comes with a collectible sticker. They will be $12. These are limited. Once they are gone, they will be gone. But this is ready for flight, cog of the month, and it's described as a sheer smoky blue jelly base, and it's loaded with intense bright blue shimmer, shifting purple at extreme angles, more blue flakes, and hollow flakies. And this would be a great topper or built up on its own. So at extreme angles, it's supposed to turn blue, purple. You can kind of see it there. And I got some polish on the outside. Let me clean that off. And this is the sticker that comes with it. Love the stickers, y'all. The bling factor is my jam. Is all I live for. Look at that. Really pretty. Okay, we have a thermal. This is part of a spring collection. They will be $12 each or $45 for the collection. There will be 4 polishes, 2 thermals, and 2 cream shimmers. So this one is the thermal. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's like a Pruggly, y'all. This is a green. This is called What the Succulent. And this is described as a green leaning teal in the cold state to yellow warm state with red and pink bronze aurora shimmer and UCC flaky shifting green, bronze, gold, pink, and red. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I'm not a greeny person, but this is very, or teal. It looks green in person. In my lighting, it is showing up teal in the viewfinder, which you're looking at now. But for me in person, it looks more greeny. But I guess it's supposed to be teal, but it looks more greeny. I guess it just depends on the angle, but it looks more greeny to me. But it's looking like a teal in the viewfinder. I have the bright lights on it as well, so very pretty. Can't wait to see what that's going to look like in the warm state. Okay, this one is Spring is the Time to Correlate, and this is the part of also that collection. This is a neutral coral leaning base with a gorgeous pinky shimmer that glows within, and you can see that glowing shifting there. And you can kind of see it here too. Very bright. It's kind of bright in person as well. Okay, this is part of the collection. Again, it's going to be $12. And that's just plastic, y'all. And this is called Botany Plants Lately. This is going to be a thermal. This is a bright fuchsia in cold state to pale yellow warm state. Loaded with pink, peach, bronze, gold, aurora shimmer, UCC flaky shifting in purple, blue, aqua, and aurora hollow flakies. So this is going to be a very interesting one as well. I like this one. This is very pretty. I like this shade of fuchsia. Very pretty. Okay, this is Senti-Mint-Teal About Spring. like the name. And you can see those shimmers in there. This is a neutral mint base with a blue shimmer that makes the beauty appear teal. It gives a glow from within, which it really does. And you can see that here in this live viewing of it. And like I said, these are creams with an added pizzazz to them, with some shimmer to it. I'm trying to wonder, do they stamp? That would be another thing I would like to test to see. Okay, we do have let's see, what's this one? We have the Hella Handmade Creations, and then I have also the Little Box of Horror. But this is the Hella Handmade Creation Vespertine. I guess that's how you pronounce that. The theme is Gothic windows, like in the last series. The inspiration is relating to occurring and flourishing in the evening. This is described as an indigo leaning blue jelly base with intense aurora shimmer in red, orange, copper, and scattered hollow flakies. They'll be $13.50 each with a cap of 500. This is simply stunning, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love a shifty polish. And it looks very vampy at first, but then when that light hits it, I'm going to love this one. I can't wait to wear this one. I can't wait to swatch it, y'all. Then we've got 2 polishes for Little Box of Horrors. These will go on sale April the 22nd through the 30th. They will, the theme is Dangerous Flora. They're both $13.50 with a cap of 200. The first polish is Gloves Love Chemistry. That's this one. This is pretty much a flaky bomb. But this is described as a violet yellow jelly base with violet, red, orange aurora shimmer and aqua blue, purple to green ghost flakies. And you can see there, it is a flaky bomb. Look at that, it is jam-packed. Jam-packed. And the second polish is from Apothecary. And it's described as a red loaded with red to orange pink shimmer and hollow flakies. This, to me, is like a flaming orange red polish. Look at that. Now, in person with the bright light on it, it looks more red. But in the viewfinder, it looks more of like a burnt orange color and more of a metallic look. Also in person, you can really see the hollow flakies. I know I've got that bright light on it here, but hopefully you can see the, let me dim the light. Now you can see those hollow flakies in there. And you really can see it since I've turned my light around a little bit. This is going to be pretty to swatch as well. So these are all those goodies I presented here. The Cog of the Month, the Spring Collection, Little Box of Horrors, and Hella Handmade Creations. So this is all of those polishes. Please stay tuned for upcoming videos with the live swatches, especially with the spring collection. I do a separate video for Hella Handmade Creations, and I also do a separate video for Little Box of Horror. So stay tuned for all of those. With the spring collection, of course, I'll have the Cog of the Month as well with this sticker. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your polished family and friends. Also, if you have not subscribed yet and you like this type of content where I do the unboxings, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, allow the meaning to take hold and watch the magic appear.